The Chalcedon Foundation presents The World of Flux, Modern Man and the Problem of Knowledge, written by Russo's John Rushdoony, narrated by Nathan F. Conkey. Preface. In March 1973, at the invitation of Dr. Morton H. Smith and the Reformed Theological Seminary, Jackson, Mississippi, I taught a course at the seminary on the philosophy of knowledge, epistemology. Subsequently, with additions, these same lectures were delivered to a Chalcedon adult study group in California. This book is the product of those two series of lectures. Even a casual glance at the contents of this study makes obvious its indebtedness to the philosophy of Dr. Cornelius Van Til. At Reformed Theological Seminary, these lectures were a supplement to the reading of Dr. Van Til's A Christian Theory of Knowledge and A Survey of Christian Epistemology, first published under the title The Metaphysics of Apologetics in 1932. I am happy to acknowledge the fact that I am a member of the Van Tilian school of thought. The strength of this study is derived from his position, and its inadequacies are mine. This study is offered as a sidelight on the very important questions of a valid theory of knowledge, and it is my hope that its reading will lead to a study of Van Til's works. I am grateful to Dr. Smith and the faculty of students of Reformed Theological Seminary for the cordial reception to me and to the lectures. I am grateful also to James B. Jordan, who typed the manuscript for me. Rushdoony, John Rushdoony, Chalcedon, 1975.